And just parenthetically, a couple of weeks ago when the Department of Defense authorization bill was on the floor, I offered an amendment that called on the Department of Defense to begin really seriously chronicling the number of cases of American GIs, male or female, who are in the military service who have abducted children, and to take much more proactive means to mitigate this horrific crime of child kidnapping.
Thank you. Good morning. My name is, as Congressman Smith said, my name is Paul Tolan, and I am currently on active duty as a commander in the Navy Medical Service Corps, and with 20 years of military experience. I'd like to thank Congressman Smith for the extraordinary support he has shown to all parents who have lost our children, and for putting this issue into its proper perspective as a fundamental human rights issue. On July 13th, 2003, 6 years ago this week, my daughter, Erica Tolan, was abducted from her home at Negishi U.S. Navy Family Housing in Yokohama, Japan, by her mother, Etsuko Tolan. That day has forever changed my life. 4 years later, in 2007, another event altered my life when Etsuko committed suicide, leaving me as Erica's sole surviving parent. Today, Erica, my daughter, a United States citizen, is held in Japan by her grandmother, Akiko Futagi, with little or no hope of return. I've spent my life savings trying to see Erica, but to no avail. Erica is being held in Japan, which is a haven for international child abduction. Japan is the only G7 country that is not a signatory to the Hague Convention. The U.S. Department of State is not aware of any case in which a child taken by one parent has been ordered returned to the United States by Japanese courts, even when the left-behind parent has a U.S. custody decree. To understand what I've been through, really all you have to do is turn to the words of our own Congress. In March 2009, with a unified voice, the U.S. House of Representatives passed House Resolution 125, which described Japan as, and I quote, a United States ally which does not recognize intrafamilial child abduction as a crime. Japanese courts give no recognition to the parental rights of non-Japanese parents, fail to enforce United States court orders relating to child custody or visitation, and place no effective obligation on the Japanese parent to allow parental visits for their child. That was our Congress's words, not mine, although I totally agree with them. On May 21st, 2009, the United States released a joint press statement with the United Kingdom, Canada, and France concerning Japanese international child abduction. These four nations stated with one unified voice that the left-behind parents of children abducted to or from Japan have little realistic hope of having their children returned and encountered great difficulties obtaining access to their children and exercising their parental rights and responsibilities. These countries described, and I quote, the failure to develop tangible solutions to most cases of parental child abduction in Japan as particularly troubling. In 2004, my own Japanese attorney, in an email to me, stated, please understand, and this is his words, my Japanese attorney, please understand your case is not a piece of cake because of the racism and irrationalism of Japan. It might be something like defending the Taliban in the US. I think that statement tells it all. I've served in the military in Japan to help protect the national security of Japan, and yet I suffered and continue to suffer discrimination at the hands of the Japanese government. I never thought it possible that I would lose my daughter as a result of serving my country and helping protect one of our allied nations overseas. However, that is exactly what happened to me. Today, Erica and I remain separated with no means to reunite. If any of you would like to contact me or know more about Erica's case, please visit Erica's Facebook group titled Help Bring Erica Tolan Home. And please join all of these left-behind parents in bringing public awareness to this fundamental human rights issue. I thank you, and I thank everybody here for all your help.